As every homeowner knows, things break or get damaged. The question is, should you repair it yourself or just buy a new one? Let's start with a common issue, a dripping faucet. If all it needs is a gasket or an inexpensive replacement part, repair it yourself. But if the dripping continues, buy a new faucet. Drafty windows are usually caused by cracked caulking or old weather stripping. You can easily remove the old material yourself. Then, use one of the many repair kits on the market to reseal the window. Your front entry door can get drafty too. Look for gaps in the weather stripping, or maybe the door sags and needs to be rehung. Both are easy fixes. But if you find that the door is warped, you'll need to buy a new one. Tile grout can crack, crumble, or become stained over time. It's relatively easy to scrape out the old stuff and then apply new grout yourself. When humidity causes outdoor ceiling fan blades to droop, don't buy a new fan. Check with the manufacturer for a blade replacement kit. Foggy double-pane windows. This happens when the window seal fails and moisture seeps between the glass panes. There are a number of do-it-yourself repair kits you can try. More often than not, you'll need to install a new insulated glass unit. When it comes to home maintenance, first look for inexpensive fixes you can easily do yourself. If the issue persists, it pays to replace it entirely before a small issue gets bigger.